Sometimes you feel like that you are the only one left behind. लगता है सब आगे निकल गए और मैं ही stuck हूँ. I can completely relate with your feeling because I have been through it. You know, I was that student, the one everyone called topper, intelligent and perfect. Everyone thought कि ये तो कुछ बड़ा करेगी, like CA, CS, CMA, जो कि mostly toppers choose करते हैं after their 12th. And honestly, for a while, I have felt it too. But things changed after school. जब choose करने की बारी आई, तो rather than choosing the same traditional path, I chose something different. Not because I wasn't capable of doing the fancy degrees or professional degrees, no. But because I didn't feel like doing it. So basically, I ditched the rat race and followed something which is completely different. And जब भी हम रेट रेस को डिच करके उसको फॉलो ना करके कुछ डिफरेंट पाथ चूज करते हैं, then it comes with fear automatically. Then it automatically comes with fear. Fear कि लोग क्या कहेंगे? What if they judge me? What if they will consider me as a failure? है ना? And I know you must have felt it too. कभी ना कभी तो आपको भी ये फीलिंग आई होगी जब भी आप डिफरेंट चूज करते हो. The feeling of fear. And it is real. It is real, but it is normal. But things started changing here. One day, I was scrolling my phone and randomly I came across a post and saw a line. This line was enough to change my perspective. You know the person who was saying this line? Ankur Warikoo. Yes, you have heard it right. The same Ankur Warikoo who is now a well-known creator and is an inspiration for many of us. So what do you think now? Did he really fail or found something bigger in life? Tell me your answers in the comment. Here is the big realization that maybe your different path is what making you unique, right? तो कभी भी अगर आप डिफरेंट पाथ चूज कर रहे हो कि डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. नो, इट कैन बी एग्जैक्टली द थिंग विच इज मेकिंग यू यूनिक. चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव. अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को चेंज करो, बिकॉज जब भी हम कुछ डिफरेंट चूज करते हैं तो हमारे साथ ये सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा ओवर थिंक करने लग जाते हैं. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द डेज व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू सर्च दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑन गूगल, लाइक am I doing something wrong by choosing different path? What if I am not doing CA? Am I a failure if I don't do CA? Crazy, right? But that's how the deep comparison hits. And because I have been through it, so I can completely relate to you. Now tell me honestly, how many of you have ever Googled these type of questions or even think about it? Come on, it's normal, so let's be real. See, I'm not here to give you the big fancy words which mostly creators do, but I am here to remind you that you are not late, you are not behind. It's your path, it's your timeline, and you should own your story. Here comes the pro tip which really helps me in the time when I feel low or depressed or feel compared. This tip can really help you. I just want you to take a pen and paper and write 3 lines today. Number 1, I am not behind. Number 2, I am not defined by my degrees. Right. This line is very important to remind you that you cannot bound yourself to some degrees. No. So write number 3, I choose my own story. Now stick that note on your wall or anywhere जहाँ पर भी चलते फिरते ज़्यादा आपकी नज़र पड़ती हो, so that you can read it daily. Trust me, it really helps. If this video felt real to you, then subscribe. Not only for me, but for you as well. Because हम मिलके इस rat race को तोड़कर build करने वाले हैं, grow करने वाले हैं, slowly, honestly, and together. And always remember, your story is yours and it is worth it. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video with another important topic. So don't miss out. Till then,